Hey everyone, Matt Winterle here. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 5 common misconceptions about today's competitive real estate market. Myth number 1, it's better to get pre-approved after you find the perfect home to buy. The reality is that you should get pre-approved before you begin your home search so you know your budget and you can act quickly when you're ready to make an offer on a home. Because no seller is going to accept a buyer's offer unless they have a proof of financing, such as a pre-approval. They would be taking on too much risk and they would really just move on to the next prospective buyer. Therefore, you should get pre-approved right away, really right after you decide that you're going to start looking to buy a home. Myth number 2, always start with your lowest offer when buying a home. The reality is that in a competitive market like we have today, you might not get a second chance. Therefore, talk to your real estate agent about different strategies, such as potentially putting in an escalation clause. But regardless, your first offer should be very strong or it might get overlooked right off the bat. Myth number 3, it's better to price your house on the high side when you're selling. In reality, a house that's priced competitively will likely sell faster and attract multiple offers. Shooting for the stars, as they say, it's understandable, but it's really not a good strategy. If your house is worth $800,000, but you put it on for $1 million, you're going to be losing the eyeballs of all of those potential buyers who have max budgets of $800,000 or $900,000. But if you price your house correctly, you'll open it up to a much larger buyer pool and therefore attracting more interest, more offers, and in the end, a higher sale price. Myth number 4, renovating your house will definitely get you more money when you sell. Well, the reality is that some renovations may be necessary, but not all. You don't want to predict what a potential buyer is going to want for upgrades when it comes to things like kitchens and bathrooms. Those big ticket items are really not worth a major renovation because there's a good chance that whoever buys your home will want to design those rooms completely differently than if you try to predict what they're going to want. Therefore, focus on things like decluttering, cleaning, landscaping, and even some painting. Things like that will make the photography really pop and will make your home show a lot better during showings and open houses. Myth number 5, it's safe to skip the home inspection. Well, in today's real estate market, a lot of people are making offers and removing the home inspection to make their offer stand out. I get that, but there's a lot of risk involved in that strategy. If you can, try and bring a contractor or someone who's very knowledgeable about construction to the initial showing or open house with you. They can, often take a look at things like structural issues, potential, the foundation, major systems, and see if they notice any red flags. Also, any good buyer's agent should discuss with the listing agent any potential issues that they're aware of already about the home. Then you can still do an inspection for informational purposes only, really because you're going to want to learn as much as you can about the house, and the inspector can really teach you as the inspection goes on. But if it's for informational purposes only, you can remove the inspection contingency from the offer that would impact the strength of the offer. If you have any questions about any of the information that I discussed today, or you'd like to discuss really anything further, please reach out to me, as I'd be happy to speak with you. Thanks for watching.